Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a great night. All right, so before we get started here, let's have some music playing. All right, so we're gonna start with AJ here, and we go to the H1 time frame. Let's see who we got here. Good morning, Jewel. Good morning, Mr. Grind Time. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, James FX. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, BG. Good morning, O Square. Who else we got? Good morning, Dominus. All right, so looking at AJ here on the H1 time frame, so we got this resistance here. So AJ is actually ranging right now.
i min city, nej. Jag vet att det finns. Kom det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag min nischare. Skön social smart lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vad du finns, yeah.
All right, so looking here at AJ, so we have potential buys above 89,600 or 89,500. Sells below 89,200. What else we got? All right, so that's what we'll be looking at here on AJ. We'll see if this candle is going to close above this resistance here. Then we'll be looking at taking the buys. Let's look at EJ. Let's go to the H1. Okay, looking at EG on the H1, we got this resistance here. I'm trying to use this tool, but I keep picking the wrong one. So I'm gonna just wait and see where this candle is gonna close. So we'll see what happens. Let's go back to EJ. All right. So that's that for EJ. All right, for EJ, we got potential buys above 135, 100. Sales below 134, 700. Damn, you guys are kind of quiet today. Oh, you guys are just looking at how I'm marking up my charts. Maybe that's what you guys are looking at. All right. Let's take a look at GJ. Good old GJ. GJ. All right, we got resistance here. GJ. Look at this on the H1. It's not really resistance here on the H1, but it's a resistance here on the 30-minute. So we're gonna mark it. Let's do this one here. Alright, so looking at this on the 30-minute, GJ, we got buys above 158,700.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah. Binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. It's
All right. Now we wait. Man, what's going on with you guys today in the chat? You guys are really quiet. Oh wow, I couldn't see all all the chats before. Now I can see it. I'm not in. I'm not in yet, guys. I will let you guys know when I do get in. Alright guys, I took the buys on AJ. Took the buys on AJ.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again. Yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I. Yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go, just let me know. Right. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said. Yeah, I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
Jag minns inte en tid du gav mig life villa jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Ni kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig wake up, jag gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaka till tidigare om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wipa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett ovanlig. På det jag lägger av mitt tid, jag vill ha dig.
Oh, nice, Jason.
Känna safety. Vi kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara live om igen. Jag vet det bara ta din del.
So the only impact news we have today is actually GBP news. We got GBP coming up at 9:15 in about 2 hours. That's really the only impact news we got today. Aside from AUD at 8:30 p.m., that's not until later tonight, so I'm not really worried about that. So we'll see what happens with this GBP news. So we got 2 hours for that.
Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig.
My stop loss on AUD JPY is actually for each side. My stop loss is right here at 89,449 for 25 pips, and my TP also is for 25 pips, but I'm gonna take partials at 10 pips. If you look at all these, the blue bold numbers and the the bold red numbers, that's my stop loss. My stop loss is just right below this bullish candle wick here, just right below that. That's where my stop loss is. So we'll see what happens with this AJ trade. Gold going down again. I really don't trade gold. We're currently in drawdown right now. So if you're wondering why I took these buys because we broke above this high here, and to the left, price actually broke it initially, then we tested it, created a support zone here, so that's why I took the buys. If you're wondering why, so we'll see what happens. As far as GJ goes, I won't be taking GJ because of this news at 9:15. It's in about 2 hours. You see a good buy opportunity on EJ? AJ is just playing with us here. Yeah, same here, Dominus. It just needs to break above this resistance here. Once it breaks above this range, then you can start looking for buys. Hopefully it does not keep ranging. Hopefully it just breaks above. And then, yeah, obviously it's gonna be a good buy opportunity. So damn, how did I miss this zone here? Okay. I think I kind of missed this zone here. See what happens. See the 4 hour. Are you guys looking to buy Euro AUD or sell Euro AUD? Well, this candle closes in 10 minutes. You bearish on Euro AUD? Let me see what you guys are talking about. I don't trade it, so I'm just gonna look at it. Oh, okay. Damn. It's sitting right at the previous resistance on the edge 4.
You see me the light. I'm not a naughty rider.
Nah,
Please you right tonight.
nah, it looks too messy for me here.
But yeah, come to me, to me. Come to me, let's go. Come to me. Fatu mata jembele, oh Lord. Fatu mata jembele, oh jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord. I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord. Fatu mata jembele. Everything be safe again now. Everything for your jembele, oh jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
What pair are you bearish on, O square?
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Oh, your AUD? Yeah, your AUD is bearish. Because it looks like the Australian dollar is strong, so that's why EA is bearish. Come on, AJ, just give me 10 pips. I'm good, BG. How you doing?
She no island girl. She from Kilimanjaro. From Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro. Nah, she no island girl. She from Kilimanjaro. She from Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro. My little baby girl, rise on me, for me. My little baby girl, rise on me. Maria, Maria, Maria. Every time I looking out for me, every time I looking out for me.
Waiting for EJ closure. It's about to close. Fully close above.
Now you want to spend more time with me. Do you want to be my wife, baby? I just want you in my life, baby. I like you, I like you, boy.
So, Erod, my first TP is actually 1-to-1, and then I'll leave a runner from there. If I get a runner, fine, and if I don't, then it is what it is. Keep smashing the like button, guys. Damn. Okay, this candle opened with a man, this is a bearish candle with no top wick and it's coming down hard. This bearish candle was coming down freaking hard. Crazy. Oh my God. Well, hopefully it flips bullish because it has no top wick. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. The same thing happened here on EJ. Yeah, all JPY pairs simply just did the same move. Hopefully this bearish candle flips bullish. That would be nice if it actually flips bullish. If it flips bullish, then price should keep pushing up. So we'll see. We'll see. Here on the 5 minute, we kind of have a double top here. And if it flips bullish, price should break this double top here on the 5 minute, which is this new highs it just created here. So we'll see what happens. It still has a lot of time to flip bullish though. It's got a lot of time to flip bullish.
Are you feeling the same way I do?
Yeah, we got a double top on the 5 minute, but if it flips bullish on the 30, if this flips bullish on the 30 or even on the 15, then we should continue going up. We shall see. What vape do I have? I got grape ice. How you love the flavor? I usually get mixed berries, but if I can't get mixed berries, then I'll get grape ice. If I can't get grape ice, then I'll get blueberry ice. Those are my 3 favorite flavor. If we lose this trade, then it is what it is. I'm gonna look for one more trade and then I'll call it a day. You can't win all the time. Edward was talking about I always get in too early. I don't know where you got that from, but even if you wait for a break and retest, so you waiting for a break and retest before getting in, so that means you automatically gonna win. There are so many break and retest entries that you get into and you still lose, because no one knows what this market is gonna do. So that's how Forex is. You waiting for a break and retest does not mean you're gonna win that trade. So and then as long as this candle does not close below this zone, we should be going up on AJ. So I can't take criticism. I mean, everybody already knows that this industry is toxic as hell. Like, if you're not using their strategy, then you freaking suck at trading. Like, I don't care. There's so many freaking strategy in this freaking industry. Whatever strategy you're using, then stick to it. If it's working for you, then stick to it. As soon as you freaking lose a trade in this industry, then you don't know how to trade. You suck at trading. Or if you're in a drawdown, then you suck at trading. You take a trade and you in a drawdown, then you don't know how to trade. They just expect to freaking take a trade and keep seeing blues. Like, it doesn't work like that. That's how I know you're either just a hater or you're new to this industry. You have to be one. But I don't care. I'm gonna just keep doing what I'm doing, keep doing me, keep doing my thing. And if I take a position, you either take it or you don't. I'm not telling you to take it. Now, EJ is still in a range here. So if EJ breaks, so EJ, you just gotta wait for a break above or a break below. And you can take your position. This bearish candle closes in 2 minutes. Yeah, we got a double top here on the 5 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Huh. Neo is talking about order block. That must be a strategy. You know the crazy part about this industry, a lot of people just be talking about their strategy as if they have this golden 100% strategy. I don't care whether you a smart money concept or whatever they call it, trader, or you trade other block, whatever you trade, you don't have no golden 100% strategy. You still lose. So why are you then trying to hate on someone else using another strategy? Just hating for no reason. If you hating on someone else, it just absolutely means you're nothing but evil, and you're never gonna make money in this industry if you're just hating on someone else. And you know what they say? If you're trying to be successful, or if you are successful already and you have nobody hating on you, then you're nobody. When people start hating on you, just know you're somebody or you're about to become somebody. Just know that. So I don't let all that bother me. I just come here, do my thing. I don't care if you like me or not. I can care less.
And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright.
I gotta use the restroom, guys. I'll be back.
Always on top of you. Oh yeah, like how you doing alright. Everything good alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top alright. Oh yeah, I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future. shot that blew my mind. No distance I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. No, I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Not best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, wedding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family.
Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh no 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 no. on the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. Louis bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, hey, chepe, niña tombong panta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice work, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. Louis bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends. With your friends. Girl, off of my key. All you really want is my key. Girl, want me to wifey. I don't really show nothing but love. Girl, off of my key. All you really want is my key. Girl, want me to wifey. I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, with my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. Louis bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow
drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me, feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn on the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the pussy wet by the shoulder rest with the cockatoo. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that game. Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. Baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me, feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe.
All right. Slow day so far. We're still in it well now.
Shawty, I know my got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Till the party wet, about to show the rest what the boy can do.
You took a 10K. You just got a 10K prop firm account. Don't use more than 0.50 lot size.
Play that game, Shawty, don't play that game, I won't keep you safe. Time that I
And only take one trade a day.
play that game, Shawty, don't play that game, I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, I don't play that game, Shawty, don't play that game,
Like all these JPY pairs, are they like waiting on GBP news at 9:15? That's in an hour.
don't play that, Shawty, don't play that game.
Alright guys, I closed my position on AJ. I don't like what's going on here. I closed my position on AJ. I closed it at negative 12 pips here, so I closed my position. All right. He's just ranging here, so we close this. Now since he's ranging, now we gotta wait and see if AJ is gonna break above these highs that he just created on the 5-minute here, which is this right here. So we'll see. We'll see if AJ is gonna keep pushing up or if it's just gonna start dropping. But right now it's ranging. See it clearly on the 15, and you can see it more clearly on the 5. So it's ranging. Are you deleting your buy stops? Yeah. First trade on the stream, negative 12 pips.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already had.
Now,
Don't try to
on AJ, we'll be talking about buys above 89.750.
I keep falling under all this pressure. Falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better. Better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends.
Now, when it comes to AJ sales, if this thing starts dropping,
Don't try to please.
I don't like the AJ sales. KJPY sales looks better.
Cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure.
EJ as well.
Since I met you, baby, I'm no good, but you know better. Better.
So we'll see what happens here. So we're gonna look at EJ. Look at EJ. I actually thought EJ is actually gonna break above these highs, but that's not what we're seeing right now. So we'll see.
Keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.
Yeah, GU is ranging. Let's go to the H1. Yeah, GU is currently ranging.
I get my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself but never alone. I got my
Go to the
friends
4 hour.
alone. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.
Let's do this on the 4 hour time frame.
These voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh baby, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.
Yep, GU is ranging. So if it breaks above 1.22700, then you could take buys. And GU looks so nasty here. Just look at this. Just too nasty. Yeah, I see the sell opportunity diminish. Just waiting for closure for price to break below this range, and you take the sales. I knew we would have been stopped out. That's why that's why I got out early here on AJ. It wasn't looking good. So this previous bearish candle here, I was expecting it to flip bullish, and it actually flipped bullish. I was watching it, and but it closed bearish. So I kind of figured it's gonna start dropping. But if AJ closes below 89, 300, 89, 200, then it should keep coming down. But I prefer EJ better. All right. Oh, where was you, BG? I told everyone to close the AJ, and I updated the AJ loss right there on the screen. You should have seen it. Closed it at negative 12 pips. Oh man, you should have taken your phone with you. That's what I do. I'll take my phone with me. If JPY pairs wants to keep dropping here, especially looking at EJ here on the 4-hour time frame, EJ should keep dropping. Looking at this on the edge for at least drop down all the way down to 133,700. Yeah, 133,700, 133,600. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So just gonna keep dropping to fill up this wicks, and we might get a rejection here, and who knows, maybe it might drop all the way down to 132,996. We'll see.
I wake up, stay in my bed for a while, 'cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately.
Let me show you guys something real quick. If I make this really small,
I'm insecure, leave me be. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine.
I was trying to show you guys something, but okay. Let's see if I can find it on the H1. Let's see here. Now we got this trend here.
Just gotta power it through, 'cause otherwise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. Make my way to you, let me see. Overload, I'm insecure, set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Time just keeps on ticking faster. I don't know the way. Just that time will make it easier. Guess I don't mind if you leave me, babe, so I could feel fine. Yeah. Even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you still stuck on me.
Should we put on sale to 89,200 on world pair? Are you talking about AJ? Yeah, wait for AJ to break 89,200. Then if we look at the 30-minute, we have this previous resistance to the right. So AG sales is really kind of tricky. But if it breaks below 89,200, you still have a decent range to 89.000. So depending on how far it breaks below, you still have about 20 pip range here. So we'll see if they're all gonna break their zones here or if they're gonna keep pushing up. So we'll see. GJ is moving. I feel like once we get the news, the GBP news at 9:15, which is in about 45 minutes. What? Yeah, at 9:15, which is about 45 minutes. I think that's when we're gonna see JPY pairs moving. So we'll see though. But if I were you, man, I'll be careful with taking GJ trades right now. So now, when it comes to trading, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. The first quarter of the year is not good. Trading start getting better starting from the second quarter of the year. So second quarter, third quarter, we're in the second quarter right now. Second quarter, third quarter, and some months of the fourth quarter. So you got October, November. So the first 2 weeks, or sometimes 3 weeks in November is good. But starting from the fourth week of November all through freaking December is actually the worst month to trade. The worst month. So like for me, during December, first week of December, so the first 2 weeks of December, that's when I trade. So once we get to like December 15, there's no more trading for me in December. Check EJ. That's what I want to trade actually, EJ. So we'll see. We'll see if this candle is gonna flip bearish. Waiting for EJ to break 31, 34, 600. We're waiting for this bearish flip here. Have a sell stop at 134,549. It's just like an 18 pip range, so we'll see. So if this candle does not flip bearish, and if it keeps going up and closes above this zone here, then we're gonna have to close this sell stop. Or if it goes up and reject this this zone here, then we're gonna close this sell stop and look for an entry below this previous low here. So that way we're gonna have a better entry. So we'll see what happens. Because it just closed below this range, so we're probably gonna see, because this candle flipped bearish and also now and then it flipped bullish again, so we're probably gonna see a rejection here for price to continue pushing down. So we'll see what happens. And if that happens, then we're just gonna have a better entry compared to having an entry at 134,549. So better entry, better stop loss. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, nice double top here on what do you call it? On EJ. That was why I closed the AJ buys. Look at AJ, flip bullish. Man, oh man. This market today, huh? This is EJ, Euro JPY. The previous one was AUD JPY. So we're just gonna wait and see what this candle is gonna do before we close our sell stop on EJ. BG said today's moving crazy. When we sell, it goes in another direction. I mean, we've not taken any more trades. We're still waiting here. Like I said, what I'm waiting for here on EJ is either for EJ to reject this zone. Man, what the hell? So what I'm waiting for on EJ is either for AJ, like I said, to reject this zone here, for price to keep pushing down, or break above it, and then I'll just obviously wait and see what happens. Because if you also look here, we got this this zone here. So price could also just get to 134.832 and then flip bearish for price to continue pushing down. So we'll see. But just know whatever trade I take right now, that's the last trade for me today. And I'll come back tomorrow. All right, we got activated. We got activated. Hopefully this thing keeps coming down. Now your stop loss has to be above this wick. So hopefully this trade does not act funny. Hopefully this trade does not act funny. All right, quick 10 pips on EJ. Quick 10 pips on EJ. Most stops to break even, and let's see what happens. Quick 10 pips on EJ. Yeah, I took 10%. I took 50% partials on my EJ. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. Can I see some W's, guys? Thank you. Hopefully this thing keeps dropping. Alright, TP1 smashed. TP1 smashed for 18 pips right now. I got next zone here for about 35 pips. AJ is actually the only one that's really moving. I'm sure Diminus meant GJ. Hopefully we're gonna get a runner here. That's how it is in this industry. You win some and you lose some. You win some, you lose some. Now, I want you guys to understand this. I'm about to tell you guys how I manage my risk. So, now, especially if you have a challenge account, if you take your first trade, and for example, let's say your lot size was, let's just say standard lot size, which was 1.00. Now, if you lose that trade, there's no point for you to use the same lot size you used when you lost that trade. You have to reduce your lot size because now you have to try and make sure you get back to, either break even or, make more money before you increase your lot size. For example, this AJ trade that we did, I had to, the first trade, obviously, I had a nice decent lot size, but this, because that was a loss, this EJ trade that we took, I had to reduce my lot size. Now I'm not going to increase my lot size until I'm actually, make back what I lost. You understand what I mean? So that's how you guys, manage your risk. I might not get back to what I had initially when I started trading today. I might not get back to that today, but maybe I'll get back to what I had before in my account tomorrow, and then I'll start increasing my lot size again from there. So whenever you lose a trade, make sure you reduce your lot size when you take another trade. That's how you manage your risk. Damn, this thing almost got to 36 pips here. If it gets here, then I'm gonna I'll take more partials here, but I'm really expecting it to come back down to 133,650 because looking here at EJ, we have a very strong support zone here, so that's where I'm looking for AJ to get to. So we'll see what happens. And then I feel like after 9:15, JPY pairs are really gonna start moving. I feel like they all waiting on GBP. This GBP news we have at 9:15. So if you're looking to trade GJ, don't trade it until after the news. Look at AJ. AJ is really acting weird today. Usually this thing like AJ be making me like AJ really be making me money. But he's acting weird today. He's acting weird today. We got 70 people here watching. Make sure you guys smash that like button. I appreciate you guys. How many likes did we get today? Yeah, we got AUD news tonight as well. During Asian session, I won't be trading Asian session for the rest of the week. I only trade it on Sundays if I see a good setup. Aside from that, Monday to Friday, I only trade New York session. You guys trade Euro USD? Man, I freaking hate Euro USD. Honestly, I don't like trading major pairs because every mama and papa, that's all they looking to trade. If anyone trades Forex pairs, they all looking to trade major pairs. And I don't like trading them. The only major pairs that I trade once in a while is GU and sometimes UJ, USD JPY, because it's a JPY pair. And those two pairs, USD JPY and GBP USD, I don't trade them that often. And the only reason why I trade GU, aside from the fact that it's a major pair, the only reason why I trade it is because it's volatile. It's easy for me to get me 10, 20 pips or more. So that's why. Euro USD, I don't like it at all. Not just because it's a major pair, but also because it moves too slow. It moves too goddamn slow. I don't like it. I don't like slow moving pairs. Do you guys want one more trade? Let me see how many people is gonna say yes before I say what I'm gonna say. Do you guys want one more trade? I'll see how many people are gonna say yes before I say before I say what I wanna say. Jewel said I need to ask that every day. Trying the challenge. What challenge are you talking about? Man, I don't know how to pronounce your name. The Lotus song. Caleb said no. Yep, Caleb knows better. Even though for me, when I trade, any day I trade is usually 1 to 3 trades maximum. Maximum 3. And the third trade it has to be a freaking very good setup that if I see it, I just cannot resist. Like, I just have to take it. So, we'll see. We'll see. If I see a good setup, then I'll take one more trade. Then if I don't see a good setup, then I'm going to have to send it to my premium group. Actually, this EJ sells. This is why I need someone else to help me with my, I need an assistant. So my this EJ trade that we took, I thought I sent it to the challenge, to the 50 to 100K challenge group, but I didn't send it to the premium group. I thought I sent it to the both of them, but obviously I did not. So the premium group missed out on this EJ sell. Are you trying to do the 20 pip challenge? Yeah, Trevor. Plus it's Monday. You know, some Mondays be so freaking good, and the same thing with Friday. Some Fridays will be so good, and some Fridays will be like simply not good at all. The same thing with Mondays. Maluleka said he's taking his profit. This market scares him. I mean, as long as you took partials already, like I already, so I took partials here actually at 18 pips, and I took another one here. It didn't quite get to where my second TP is, but I took another profit at, let me see, I believe I took it somewhere here. I took another profit at 35 pips. So far on this trade, I've secured 35 plus 18, about 45 pips on this EJ drop. So, I mean, if he wants to go back up and stop me out, then it is what it is. But so far, I've secured like 40, 45 pips on EJ. So, alright, GJ News coming up in about 8 minutes. Actually, 7 minutes. The first trade we took today was AJ. That was the 12 pip loss. And then we took EJ. So, 2 trades for the day. 1 win, 1 loss. So looking at EJ, as long as EJ does not close above this zone here, and if it doesn't have a crazy response to the GBP news, then EJ should keep coming down. So thanks for subscribing, YouTube Shorts. Running thoughts on NASDAQ. Of course, you know I'm going to look at that one. You already know. I'm absolutely going to look at NAS 100. Let's see. What do we got? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What are you doing on the H4? NAS 100. Look at NAS 100 is not even really moving either, because it's a Monday. So looking at NAS, we got the resistance and support here. We can clearly see it's ranging on the H4. Looking at NAS 100. Now if we go, but hold on, let me do this. Then we have another zone here on the H4. And we got a zone here. Make a weak feel. And I'm gonna mark this zone here.
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately. Taking your time, losing my mind.
Alright, so we go to the H1. Now we kind of see what we're looking at. If we go to the 5-minute, so actually we have so supply and demand. Now we got a demand set up here. Could actually buy NAS 100. Stop loss right below this week. Can have your first TP here. And you're looking at a potential 70 pip, 74 pip move here on NAS 100. And if it keeps going, then you got another TP right here. So now, even though on the H4 we're clearly in a downtrend, so what you're simply doing here on the lower time frame is you're trading this range. You're trading this range. The overall trend is a downtrend, but we had the uptrend move from here. Looking at NAS 100, we have the uptrend move from right here. So that's my analysis on NAS 100. All right. If you trade my analysis, if you trade NAS 100, that's what I feel like. So obviously the better entry would have been, the better entry on NAS 100 would have been this candle here. This should have been a better entry, and you would have had a better stop loss, because this rejection here signifies that we have a rejection here, and price is going to keep pushing up. And you have your TP1 at 12.403 and another one at 12.500. So you ask for my analysis on NAS 100. That's my analysis on NAS 100. No, for my first, when I take partials, my first partials, I usually take 50%. Once I take 50%, that's my first partials. If I take another partial, maybe let's say if price gets to like 30, 40, or 50 pips, then I'll take 25%. So I'll keep taking partials like that until I get to 90%. So the last lot size I leave running is usually 90%, and I just let it run. So I take 50%, 25%, 10%, and then I leave the other 10% to keep running. Alright, what did GBP do? Alright, the response to GBP news. Got a rejection here. Now you know. Now you'll be looking for GJ sells at 158.000 or buys at 158.900. Thank you for subscribing and running. James FX, I should make a day in life. Yes, I will. I've been thinking about it. I definitely will. I don't know when, but I will. Alright, we're gonna get stopped out here. We're reacting to the GBP news. Was it a positive news or a negative news? Damn, nothing really happened. Alright, nothing happened.
So
So if you're looking for GJ sales, just wait for it to break and close below 158.000 and buys above 158.900. Let me just put that there. And I didn't need to be in caps.
I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you.
What pair are you guys talking about, Jewel? You and Diminus. What pair? What trade did you guys take? Oh, are you talking about E? Oh, you guys are talking about EA. So EA dropped nice for you guys. Okay. Yeah, it dropped nice for you guys. Congratulations. Okay. So nothing is going on now. We'll see what happens between 9:30 and 10. If nothing happens by 10 o'clock, then I'll be ending this live stream. So I'm gonna wait here till 10 a.m. Well, this candle here closes in the next 7 minutes, so we'll see what happens in the next 7 minutes. If EJ is gonna start coming down again. Good job, Nordics. NAS is going up, like I said. It's just freaking taking its time because it's freaking Monday. Just freaking taking its time. But let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Oh. If you took gold buys, watch out for 1818. Watch out for 1818. It actually just broke this resistance here. You think it's going up to 1823? Yeah, I mean, if it breaks 1818, looking at it on the 30-minute, then it should be heading to this next resistance zone, which is actually 1828. If it breaks 1818, then it should be heading to 1828. Your TP is 1815. Okay, nice. This looks like you took an impulse entry here, except if you got in on a 5-minute. If you got in on a 5-minute, then yeah. But on a 30-minute, it's just about to break. Whoa, we only got 52 likes? Wow. That's very interesting. How you said 1818 is a bottle of vodka? That's funny. All right, bam. About to get stopped out on EJ. All right. We got stopped out of EJ. All right. Still a nice sell though. You better not start dropping now. So EJ completely rejected this support zone, decided to break below it, and then rejected this resistance zone here to the left. Yep, that's commissions for you. That's commissions for you. So the market is actually not steady today. So be very careful. Now EJ wants to start dropping again. Yeah, look at NAS. Let me see. Would they have taken some partials if I took this NAS?
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached.
Oh yeah, so I definitely would have taken some partials.
So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he got such power over me, but I try to act fool about it.
Yeah,
What's standing in
the market is not steady today, guys.
he does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.
No clear direction.
He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.
But
So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with it. Should I let him go? I don't know what to do with it. Should I let him go?
how do I take partials? If you go to my channel, I have a video on that, even though it's a very old video. In fact, that was one of the first videos I made when I started my YouTube. I was living in Vegas at the time. So if you go to my channel, just, you gotta scroll all the way down. It's in 2020. And then I made a video about it. You'll find it on my channel. Just go through all my videos and you'll find it. Oh, you asked me a question about NAS 100. If you took the buys when I first said it, you should have taken some profit. But yeah, so if it keeps coming down, if it does not break below this support zone here, wait to see a rejection. Wait for the rejection candle to close, then see what the next candle is gonna do before you take the buys. And remember, when I did my analysis on NAS 100, I said this candle here was the entry that you actually needed. The market is not steady. Because we actually have a demand zone here. If I want to take another trade right now, I'll take GJ. I'll be looking for GJ to close below 158.000, or like I said previously, above 158.900. But I think we're gonna come down. I think it's gonna drop. You're welcome, Zolani. AJ buys above 89.750 and sells below 89.200. So you gotta look for AJ. But I don't like the sells on AJ. I prefer buys. That's why I like GJ sells better. If it drops and if he buys, then I'll take it also. But for now, there's no entry for me here. Last week Monday was great. This Monday, the market is just doing whatever it wants to do. We don't have a clear or clean trend, no clear direction. Market just, keeps going up, keeps going down. It's not clean. What's GU doing? GU still ranging, but looks like this candle is about to flip. It's about to flip bullish. If it flips bullish, then GU should be heading to 1.22950, and EJ is the only one that looks like he really wants to, keep dropping. But we've already been stopped out, so
I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out.
now in cases like this is where I look at the H1 time frame. If I remove this, now looking at this H1 time frame, looking at EJ, if this EJ, if this blue bullish candle here flips bearish on EJ, then you have another sell entry here on EJ on the H1, but obviously your entry can be on the lower time frame. So I'm gonna leave this on the H1 because you have a possible entry here on EJ if this candle flips bearish.
Skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
Leave this on the H1. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Yeah, 58 likes. We got 100 people watching. We got 58 likes. Man, you guys can do better.
No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize.
1 hour flips bearish. You got another sell entry on EJ. For EJ to keep pushing down to possibly fill out all this wick, and maybe to continue coming down to 130 to 800. No, I used to live in Vegas. I live in Houston. I live in Houston now. Thank you, Isaac. Sell stop on world pair. You said Nas tap demand. Let's see. Let's go to the 5. No, that was earlier. That was here. And this would have been a better entry here. Thank you for subscribing. Visual for life. Alright, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be back. So coming for Euro GBP, that's another pay I don't trade. Thank you for subscribing. Oh man, Jerry by Sazon. Alright, I'll be back, guys. Remember what I said. If this bullish candle here on the H1 flips bearish, you get another sell opportunity. If not, then you gotta wait for this 1 hour candle to close. Alright. I'll be back.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down
All right. I told you guys EJ I sold EJ again. It's a risky sell. That's why this trade actually I didn't send it out to my group. I only took it on my own. So but I'm expecting it to come down and possibly fill up this week here. I need to see where my entry was. Oh, what happened to this song?
Let me let go with you. You say you're special, one of a kind, one of a better voice. I'm on your
My entry
level.
was right here.
What you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. 'Cause you haven't got the news. Oh, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I need is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help. 'Cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back. But that is not me, so give it up. Haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. 'Cause you haven't got
You guys are looking to sell Euro GBP?
to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I need is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
It actually just broke support on the 1 hour time frame.
I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be
I used to love trading this pair, honestly. When I first started trading, I used to love trading this pair. All of a sudden, I just lost interest in it and I stopped trading it.
still the one for me, even though we are done. But we both know that we don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses. You know what, I don't care. No energy to spare. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you
Well,
that's why I know that I won't get you.
Euro GBP should keep dropping here, but you know it's a slow day, so. But it looks like a good sell to me, at least possibly to 84,814. Damn, that's just 8 pips. Oh wow. Yep, now I remember why I stopped trading Euro GBP. Because it's not volatile, that's why I stopped it. Like it be taking forever to reach, say, 10, 20 pips. The market is just not steady. Anyways, guys, I'm done for the day. So tomorrow should be better after all the craziness the market is gonna do today. So tomorrow the market should be better.
Raindrops falling down my face, aching for your touch again.
Alright, guys, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow should be better. Thank you guys for hopping on. I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow. EU is dropping. Hold on, let's see GU. If EU is dropping, let's see GU before I end this stream. Okay, GU still ranging. Nope, it's not dropping yet. Still needs to break below this zone. Alright guys, see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. Have a great day.